I'm going to show you how to make eyes the size what you need. So I'm going to click on picture and cut eyes color what I need. For example, let's say I need this one. So I'm clicking right click on it and I'm choosing crop. And I crop this eyes. I have to crop this eyes out. And I hit enter. Now I have one eye. Now I'm clicking again with right click and I choose size and position. In this window I know that I need, for example, I need 11 millimeters. So I'm writing 11 millimeters, and there too 11 millimeters, and I hit OK. Yeah. So I need one more eye, the same for sure. Yeah? So I copy it, and I paste it here. And now I have two perfect eyes. If you need another size, so the same. Copy, paste, and right click, choose size and position, and write what size you need. For example, 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters. And hit OK. Here you go. And again you can copy it and paste. And just print it out on made paper and glue glass cubation on it. I also make a whole page, different sizes, so I don't waste photo paper. And then I just glue my cubation on size what I need. For example, this goes here, like that. Yeah? Here you go.